Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a great guitar song here from Lauren Spencer Smith. It's called Best Friend Breakup. So this one is a 5-chord song, and we will learn this cool muted strumming pattern here on the verses, and then it's pretty much a straightforward strumming song there. So it's a great song worth trying out. So let's start with this one on the capo set here on the 1st fret. Like I said, 5 chords. We'll go over the chords to begin with. So the first one will be G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. E minor next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next one, C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then the final chord will be A minor. So A minor is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. There you have it, G, D, E minor, C, and A minor. Okay, so we'll look at the first verse here to begin with. And this one, it's a muted strumming pattern here. And we'll look at the pattern. It covers 2 chords, so think pair of chords. So the chord progression here will be G, D, and then E minor, C. So we will look at the transition here from G to D, and then you will apply the same strumming pattern or principle when it comes to the E minor and C transition there. So let's take a look at the GD. So it starts with the G chord, and grab that one. The first part there will be down, down, up, up. Okay, so it's down, down, up, up. And then you switch chord immediately to the next one, in this case the D, and then you will play just 2 downs, and then a pause there. So that's it. Now you want this muted feeling, so what I do, I use this part of my right hand when I strum. I lay it on top of the strings like this, and I strum with my finger, my index and thumb or so. It's up to you, and it's your choice how you want to strum, but that's one way of get this muted feeling. And yeah, I'll play kind of on just the bass strings or bass mid strings or so. I let the top strings out of this playing most of the time there. Sometimes because sometimes I touch it on the way up or so, but anyway, most of the times you stay here with the bass. So like this, down, down, up, up, and then you switch to D, down, down, and then you apply the same principle on E minor to C. So E minor, you're gonna play that in the same way as you learned the G, and then the C in the same way as the D, just 2 downs. So slowly. G, D, E minor, C. Alright, so that is how it goes. So the verse, couple rounds, sounds like this. And that takes us to the pre-chorus. Here it will just play 1 down per chord, and the chord progression here will be E minor, D, C, and then a longer break, and then E minor, D, A minor. So like this. Break there, and then a longer break after A minor. So A minor, D, C, sorry, E minor, D, C, E minor, D, A minor. All right, And that takes us to the final part here, the chorus. And it starts with G. And with that G, we're going to look at the strumming pattern. So grab the G1. And then we will play the strumming down, down, up, down, up. So it's like this. So I play the first down, and then a short pause, and then comes down, up, down, up. On the first down, I play more on kind of just the bass strings here. And then I do the down, up on kind of all strings or the mid top strings or so. So you kind of answer with the down, up, all right? So down, down, up, down. It goes G, 1 strumming round, then A minor 1, and then E minor 2. That short chord progression, G1, A minor 1, and E minor 2, you play for 3 rounds, and then it ends with D2, and then C1, plus a pause. And this pause is for the vocals where she sings Best Friend Breakup. So the chorus goes G1, A minor 1, E minor 2, that part times 3. And then on the 4th round, so to speak, you're gonna play D2 and C1 plus this pause. And that ends the chorus. It goes like this. The chorus, and there you have it, guys. That's a different part. It repeats itself on the second round, and so you will listen to the song and it puts all things together, and that pretty much covers Lauren Spencer Smith's Best Friend Breakup. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope that helped. If you did, please thumb up, show me some love here on Gordon Guitar. And until next time, play tuned.